this morning, I came outside to play with my cats, and I bet y'all couldn't hear. There was a storm, right now, and can't go back inside the house. So that's amazing. This is our situation right now. The rain is coming in sideways. That's why I have the umbrella right here. But look, there's my dog. I don't know where the other cats are. Probably under the house. These are these two kitties. Oh, you can't even see. But yeah, this is really fun. So if the comments are on, tell me how y'all's morning is going. Guys, it's raining so much harder now. Like, it's actually insane. Look at the trees. It doesn't look like that bad on camera, but like, holy. Oh, you can't even see. Bro. And I'm getting, look at the car. My dog's okay, I hope. Hi. But look. Oh my gosh. And the cats, they're just being cats. Look at the trees up there. Guys, I'm actually kind of scared. Actually, why am I scared? I don't know why I'm scared. It's just rain. I think we're having a flash flood though. So that's really fun. Yeah. So all my grandma's plants are gonna be messed up. Her seeds are gonna be washed away. So what she said. I'm getting wet. But yeah. Okay, bye, love you guys.